and Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hamilton County and central Texas, southeastern EAS County and north central Texas, northwestern Bosque County and central Texas, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Iredell, or 21 miles southeast of Stephenville, moving west at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eco and Iredell. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.